Hello my YouTube friends! I'm afraid sometimes I have so many videos on creating better live streams that show complicated overlays and plugins that some people might think you need to know that stuff before you start live streaming. I want you all to know right now that is just not the case. When I first started live streaming, I had nothing but a
Yeah, I'm just testing my live stream. I plan on doing it soon. Yeah, I'm just testing my live stream. I plan on doing it soon. See how it works. We got the screen going. Yeah, today was a very terrible day. Extremely terrible. I mean, look, who expected this fucking move up to the side? And I did miss an entry over here, to be honest, but I wasn't too confident. Just want to go back through this. It's a 15-minute on the left side, 5-minute, and 1 minute. Shown here 5, 15, 1 on the top. Where was the entry that I was in a trade and I just took it out at break even? Just want to go through this with you guys. Right here. This would be minute busy. Okay, push this here. It's right inside a 15-minute busy as well. See this 15-minute busy here. This one over here, where prices had tested it 3 times before, maybe even more. It trades up through it over here, comes back, tests it twice, once, twice. Never closes below midsection of the fair value gap. Goes trades back up, comes down, tests it, up again. Fails to test it, showing sign to even go higher, and then boom, higher, higher lows, and then boom, higher high, boom, tests it today. And then look at that move on the 15-minute. This is just an amazing move. PPI today. So basically this was the last test where it actually does go through it. Let me just zoom this for it to be clear. Again here, it actually fails to close even inside it. It fails to close inside a 15-minute BSC. And I went in here at this candle here at the 9:57, almost 10 o'clock. And I think I got out somewhere around here. Just before this down candle, I got out maybe, I must say maybe around here, like 3 minutes, 4 minutes later. And then boom, I should have gone in again here, but I wasn't too confident, and then price just went up. I would have been happy just to go up from here all the way to initial balance high, or maybe even up to this high. And then let's go, and then look, this was the most boring day ever. I mean, all this chop, 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 just taking highs, taking lows, really ugly price action. But eventually, let's go. Eventually, from here, all the way here. $258. Not to say that had I been in a trade I would have been in for that long, maybe a runner, but this is what the trade would have looked like. My stop loss would have been here, or just below this candle over here. Just below this green candle that started the creation of this 1 minute BSC. So we're talking about 6R over here, almost 7. And like I said, I would have probably been super content to get out right here, 3R. I would have been content to get out at these equal highs, or maybe these, yeah, these equal highs, this, and then that. If that would have been, I would say maybe 2R, almost. I mean, how beautiful is this trade? It's just very, very choppy action. Even up here, I mean, let's get this out of the way. Even up here, all besides, forget about this. This is just terrible. Even all this, I mean, yeah, there are fair value gaps here, but it's not the setup. It's not the setup that I would usually take. I would normally wait for sell side or buy side to be taken out. Here, fair value gap, boom, trades up. Even look at this. Like, I would never have taken this, and I didn't. I actually gave up somewhere around here. I wasn't even trading. I wasn't even in front of the computer at this point. And 250 macro, boom. You'd think this would be a displacement after taking, let's say, these highs. Not that they're relative equal highs, but you think that this would be a displacement, and then you'd have this fair value gap, huge fair value gap. But no, price goes back, trades, goes through it, and then consolidates. And we do have one small fair value gap here, which was tested, and then before price traded Very tiny fair value gap. Let me bring this down. I'm just reading this chart, guys, so there's nothing really going to happen. Market is closing in a bit. Yeah, that is a 1 minute. I need it to be a, that is a 1 minute city. Why wouldn't have taken that? Because no displacement. Look at the low here. Low this candle, 14:45. That's 2:45 p.m. 459 3/4. The low, the close of this candle, 460. 19,460. $459. The low. Closes by a quarter of a tick. Like, I would have never seen that. So basically, to me, this isn't an energetic move down. This isn't, to me, isn't considered a displacement. And if I don't get a displacement on a 5 minute or a 1 minute, I wouldn't have taken this fair value gap. Anyway, it's a terrible PPI day today. I was even watching some other traders out there who normally do well take losses today, and basically everybody ended the stream earlier. There was nothing really to be done. I was even watching a little bit of ICT live streaming, and if I recall very well, he was talking about how price, after yesterday's move, go back to yesterday's move so you guys get just what I'm talking about here. Yeah. This was yesterday's move. Oh no. It's down here. 9:30, this blue line represents 9:30, 8:30 news. Trades again off a 15-minute BISI. And these are my points of interest really. If I get rejection off of here, that's where I start looking for BISIs on the 5 minute and a displacement on the 5 minute and a fair value gap on the 1 minute for my entry. And then after this big move, and then overnight Asia consolidation, overnight London consolidation. If I recall very well, he was talking about how retailers or retail traders would think that price is going to continue up. And if I recall very well, I didn't see the whole stream, but anyway, I don't want to say things that may have not been mentioned by him, but I do. I think he did mention that price was supposed to trade down, and obviously it didn't. And this is what happened today. 9:30 today. Again, a 15-minute BISI, and boom. Okay, not as big as this one. This one was huge. I mean, look at this. Look at this one here. So this is from here. This one. 710. one contract would have been like $14,000 on this on NQ for NASDAQ. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. And then this move up. I do regret actually not staying in the trade, but yeah, that's what happens. Anyway, this was actually a test live stream. I didn't know how to work it using OBS, and I don't think my computer is actually the best for this because it gets really slow. It freezes. But yeah, I'm gonna try to start doing live streams. Trading my Apex account. I have a 25K challenge that I started today, that I did not take any trades. And I have a PA, a performance account, 50K performance account with Apex also. So I think I'm gonna start doing the live streams using the 25K challenge, or maybe basically mix and change between the both accounts. We'll see. Anyway, this was just a test the sound, test the screen, and yeah, that's about it really. I'll be having streams basically every time I trade. I can't say every day, but I do sit in front of the computer every day. I go into the market. I may take trades. I may not take trades, but I will. I'll be doing the streams anyways. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Safe trading. Have a good one.